practice what you preach. What do I mean by this? Why am I making this? How is this related to cryptocurrency? Well, I have a whole production set up for you where I want to go over a couple different things, but basically the purpose of this video is to go into a lot of people in the cryptocurrency space are just in it as investors. That's cool. I'm an investor. I'm a trader, right? I do long-term investing. I do short-term trading. I do a mix of different things, and that's totally 100% fine. There's nothing wrong with wanting to make money. However, we should, in this community, practice what we preach, meaning we should actually be using blockchain-based applications, whether they be based on Ethereum, on Steem, on Neo, whatever. Different decentralized applications. There are so many already out there, and I think as a community, we really need to start using them. Use them more. There's actually a lot of them that could help make you money. So even if you're only in cryptocurrency for the money, using one of these platforms could help you make more money. Now, I'm in cryptocurrency because I'm very passionate about it. Don't get me wrong. I love money. There's nothing wrong with money, but I am passionate about this. So let's go over the top ones, the big ones, and the ones that I think are some of the best platforms out there. And again, right now, none of these platforms are perfect. There is room for improvements. There is active development going on in them, and things are definitely going to improve over time, over the next year, over the next 2 years. Things take time. Rome wasn't built in a day, but yeah, let's get into it. Now, first up is Steemit. Now, Steemit is a lot like Reddit, where you post articles or links or whatever photos on here. And the way it works is there's Steem Power, and then there's Steem Dollars, and then there's just Steem. I'm not going to go too much into that, but basically Steem Power is, in my opinion, the best thing because it is what brings influence in the platform. The more Steem Power you have, the more your upvote is worth. So let's say you have a $1 upvote. Every time you post, you instantly could increase your earnings by $1. However, that's not where the majority of the money is made. The majority of the money is made from other people upvoting your posts. So you upvote yours because you have a lot of influence. Someone else sees it, they upvote it, and it kind of gets in a snowball effect. And that's how you see some Steemiters making so much money. Let's go over to just a few of them. Let's go over to Jerry. Let's go over to Jerry Bainfield, right? This is a YouTuber and he's on Steemit. Look how much money he makes per post. You just go and look at them. Some of these are re-steamed, which you do get some money for re-steam, but he made $87 on this post from the other day. That's not bad. And if you go to his account value, he's actually worth his account is worth almost $400,000. So this is an asset. This is no different than owning a piece of real estate. This is an income producing asset because he's getting attention with it. He could do affiliate marketing with it. He could link to other things, and he makes money directly from upvotes. So Steemit is a great platform, and I think it's one of the most beginner friendly ones. There's a wrong way to do it, a right way to do it. And if you want to learn more about that, comment below. If you want me to start a series on Steemit, a side series on the channel, let me know below. But if you're not following me on Steemit, you should be because it's very important. Now, the next one up is dTube. Now, dTube is a lot like Steemit, and it's connected to Steemit, where if you post something on dTube and it's connected to your Steemit account, it'll also be posted on Steemit, but you'll know whether or not it's dTube or Steemit. So dTube is basically Steemit for videos. It's basically it stands for decentralized YouTube, and it is great. I always try and remember to repost my content onto dTube. So once I upload on YouTube, I will repost the content down on dTube, and that will bring me in more followers, more subscribers, and even a little bit of money. Now, I don't make a ton of money doing that, but every once in a while, I get a post that really pops and really makes me decent amount of money. I've had a post made me like $50 off one post. That's not too bad. Now, it doesn't bring me in as much money at this time as YouTube, but it's definitely an awesome platform. And again, no one's saying you have to solely use blockchain platforms. What I'm saying is you should also use blockchain platforms. So if you are an article writer, why not just get in your writing for a blog, right? How about you repost your blog content on your Steemit? You could build some extra income, help the community, provide value, and it really is awesome to practice what you preach. You're in cryptocurrency. You're a cryptocurrency investor. Use blockchain-based projects. I can't preach it enough. So let's get on to the next one, which is dSound. No, I actually don't use dSound. I'm not a music producer, but if you are, this could be huge, or even if you're a really huge music enthusiast, this could be huge because this is kind of like SoundCloud, where people could post their audio on the Steemit blockchain, or on the Steem blockchain, I mean, and it's linked to it. And again, it's a really cool platform. If you produce music, if you make beats, you're a rapper, you're a singer, a metal star, you know, you have an awesome metalcore band, put your stuff on here. It could help bring you in a little bit of money, and it really just help you get more attention, because a lot of the SoundCloud stuff, a lot of the YouTube stuff, it's oversaturated. These markets are unclaimed territory. These are untouched. So getting a following on dTube, on dSound, on Steemit is much easier versus getting it on YouTube. So that is my opinion on that. Now, next up is Storj, which is a really cool project, which is basically decentralized storage. It has end-to-end encryption, and it has so many different features where it ensures your security because it fragments your data, meaning that it's not in any single point of failure. That's one of the benefits of decentralization versus cloud storage. You know, everything's stored over here, and if that gets hacked, you're ruined, right? On Storj, it's a lot different because it's decentralized and it has end-to-end encryption. So what you could do with this, you could actually make money with this. If you want to rent your hard drive space, that is just awesome. You could rent it out. You have, let's say you have a terabyte of space. I'm not sure exactly how much that'll make you. I don't do this yet, but I do, 2 out of 4 of the listings I have on this video. So 2 out of the 4 of the applications I'm showing you guys, I do. I want to get to 3 out of 4. I want to get to 4 out of 4. And I want to get to 10 out of 10. I want to use more blockchain based applications because I practice what I preach. I don't just invest. I trade, I put content out on these platforms because I practice what I preach. So if you have a huge hard drive, maybe you can make a few extra bucks renting it out. Is it going to make you rich? No, it won't make you rich, but it could definitely bring you in a little bit of an extra side hustle income that could really help you get started. You take some of that income, you reinvest it, and now you're becoming wealthier over time. You say you make $1,000 a month doing this. I doubt you'll make that much, but let's just say you do. You make $1,000 a month. You take some of that, you put some of that in crypto. You save up a little bit for some real estate. You diversify. You invest in a really good ICO. So many different things you could do with some extra income and stop living 9 to 5 as a slave for a corporation. So that is my piece on this, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I highlighted some of the biggest and the best decentralized applications out there, and if you're interested in any of these, go on there and start it. Just start putting out content on them. And if you don't follow me on Steemit, make sure you do. It's a link down below. Check it out. Make sure you share this video. Very important, because if you share it, this will generate a lot more. This will get pushed in the YouTube algorithm so more people learn about these blockchain projects, about these decentralized applications, and that could really help out the cryptocurrency community. So thank you so much for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.